Hi, this is Alejandra Pacheco, and today I want to show you a house that I'm in love with. This house is called Casa Pajaros. It's right in the middle of Cozumel, downtown, but once you're in, you cannot imagine where you're located because you feel like an oasis. As you can see here, they have a little pond. It's full of fishes. And this house is surrounded by the most beautiful gardens you can imagine, full of fruit trees. And the reason why they call it Casa Pajaros, which means bird's house, is because you can always see birds all around because of the trees they have. They have mango, neem, guayaba, coconut trees. Look at this living room area. It's gorgeous. Very artistic. The owner of this house, she's an interior designer, and along with her partner, they designed this house. They did a magnificent job. That's the kitchen, but from the outside, you cannot tell it's a kitchen. It was so clever. This beautiful house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It has 212 square meters. But the entire property has 1,044 square meters. It's a really big property. I'm going to show you the bedrooms. This first bedroom where I'm heading, it can be used as a bedroom or as a studio. It's a little bit smaller than the other ones. You can see little designs everywhere. Little details. This is the second bedroom. Gorgeous bedroom. Right in front of it is the third bedroom, which has an in-suite bathroom. Once you're in this house, you never want to leave. This house, it's the typical Cozumeleñan house, and the owners gave it a very modern design twist. But it's a perfect balance between traditional and original and modern. This is the second full bathroom. Right here, we're heading out to the patio, which is the perfect place for entertaining. Look how beautiful. Can you imagine yourself just laying down on that hammock, spending the afternoon chilling with this beautiful sound of the waterfall in the pool. It has a barbecue area, perfect for entertaining. But the top of this property, the cherry on the top, is this garden. Look at it. As I was telling you, it's full of fruit trees. Just absolutely stunning. So this is Casa Pajaros. I would be very happy to show you this property and to help you make it your own.